Hello, it's Kristen and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Yaki Imo, which is roasted Japanese sweet potato. You can find this food in the movie Spirited Away as one of the offerings to the very hungry and very irritable No-Face. For this recipe, you'll need as many or as few sweet potatoes as you want. The cooking time will vary depending on how big or little your sweet potatoes are. Mine are about the size of my hand and just about 2 inches at their widest spot. After rinsing the sweet potatoes, wrap them in a piece of damp paper towel. Then get some aluminum foil and wrap them like a burrito. You want to make sure that these are well wrapped and none of the paper towel is showing. Once wrapped, place them in your oven, which has already been preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. I flip mine over at around 20 minutes. This step is optional, but I find it cooks evenly this way. At the end of 30 minutes, insert a skewer, and if the potato is soft, it's done. My oven's kind of weak, so I ended up cooking it for the full 40 minutes. Be careful when unwrapping them because they'll be very hot. For an extra roasty toasty experience, I broiled mine on high for 5 minutes, but this is also an optional step. If you don't have Japanese sweet potatoes, you can use regular sweet potatoes, but keep in mind the cooking time might be a little different. I like to keep the skin on and eat it, but that's just my preference. Do you keep the skin on or do you peel it? Let me know in the comments below. You can wrap them in a piece of parchment, break it in half, and enjoy! And that's it! I hope that you enjoyed this Yaki Imo video for the Y in my A to Z Ghibli food series. We're almost at the end. Next week is the last video. I can't believe we're almost there. I hope that you have been enjoying this series so far. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.